So, guys, I have finally arrived in Siem Reap after a very stressful day at the border, and my first stop is Pub Street. This city has so many markets, so I've decided to roam around a little bit.
My husband jam cut stone, so this stone before,
Huh?
yeah, before and after here.
Okay.
Yeah, before we cut already.
Okay.
Yeah, we have many gemstone. We have ruby, sapphire, emerald, amethyst. This stone from Previ here, province Cambodia. How many agate? Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, look like diamond.
So delicate.
This is from lotus seed, lotus flower.
Lotus flower. Yeah, it's so delicate. How do you make this from lotus? So these paintings are made by the guy. He's here. And all these paintings, and he's taking the workshop for the painting sessions, group sessions, to teach them how to do the block painting and the painting that the way he makes. This is one of the restaurants which I every day come here and eat because this is very affordable, and I can easily find the vegetarian food here. The rest food is also fine. They give you a free water bottle. Yeah, this one is recommended. Khamir taste. The most famous attraction in Siem Reap is Angkor Wat, which I will visit in the next days. But for now, I'm enjoying the city and its surrounding. I have rented a scooty for $8 a day, which is an average price I found in these three countries. Today I'm gonna drive to the floating village which is called Kampong Kling, and it is 51 kilometers away, but it will take us 1.5 hours to reach there. As I enter this village, it looks like a different world, very different from Siem Reap. The houses they build like this because of the seasonal flood, but now the water levels are low because this is a dry season. Hello, You know, Kampong Kling is the largest floating village in the Siem Reap province. Nearly 10,000 people live here, and all of them are fishermen, or maybe most of them are fishermen. And there's a boat business in this area, and all the boat people, like always, they put silencer on their boats. So whenever one boat goes, like so much of sound, then another boat goes, there's so much more sound, and we cannot even talk. Like few person are there, we cannot even talk. Say hi. Here I am in Cambodia, and now I'm at the biggest religious site in the world, Angkor Wat. UNESCO World Site, Angkor Wat is featured in Cambodia flag. It means the city of temples. So it was originally built as a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu, breaking the previous king tradition of worshipping Lord Shiva in 12th century. But then later it was converted into a Buddhist temple and they still worship today. And now if you want to see the top of the view temple, then you have to climb up this straight.
No cap.
Okay, no cap. And Angkor Wat is the representation of Mount Meru. So in Hindu mythology, there is a 5-peak mountain which is standing at the center of the universe. It is said that 3 gods are the chief gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and the rest are demigods, reside on the top of this mountain. Man, estimatedly 5 million tons of sandstone were used to build this Angkor Wat.
The From temple, and it is famous for its trees growing on the walls of the temple.
Look at this tree.
See the roots of this tree, just like liquid flown away, or like a snake. Just go away, then fall there, then again up. What is this? A floating tree? So like this root is just held by these pillars.
Earlier it was by these walls, but when the walls fell, now it's the pillars.
वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अगर मैं मक्खी के छत्ते में किसी ने कुछ कर दिया, सब पिटेंगे बहुत ज़्यादा. बहुत मारेगी मक्खी.
So this is the Bayan temple.
All the tombs having 4 faces in 4 directions. Some are ruined, but some are exactly like that.
And in the market, if you go, they will be selling this front picture.
Oh, this one, how it is. But they have make a concrete structure to support these stones. One concrete there to support the whole structure, the whole weight, and here also.
So this is the restoration work, and you can see a lot of restoration work, which is very interesting for me as a, like, if you see things as a civil engineer kind of a thing, but I'm not a civil engineer. But see, you see the ankle over there, one here, this and this. This is called concrete.